Want new features on your old cat machine? Cat upgrade kits make it easy. Each kit includes a variety of genuine cat parts and products tailored to improve the comfort, safety, technology, and performance of your machine, all in one simple package. Here's how. To get started, visit parts.cat.com and log in. Navigate to the right of the search bar and click Select Equipment. Then, enter the serial number of your machine to browse compatible parts and kits. Once you've selected your machine, navigate up to Shop, and from the drop-down menu, select Upgrade and Repair Kits. And then select See All Upgrade and Repair Kits. From here, you can browse all available upgrade kit options for your machine. Next, select your desired upgrade kit. Once you select it, you can scroll down to view detailed information on all included parts, compatibility, and warranty information. Enter your location to find price and availability information from local cat dealers. Now, you can simply click Add to Cart to purchase. When ready, check out and have an upgrade kit sent straight to your door or available for pickup at your local dealer. Have questions or want to request more information? Please contact your local cat dealer. Visit parts.cat.com today to upgrade and keep your fleet running as good as new.